So student, in the last class, we have discussed different operations on sets, and today we are going to start with this definition. This is the first definition, that is cardinality of a set. What do you mean by cardinality? Cardinality is basically the number of unique elements in a set. The number of unique element in a set, it is known as cardinality of that set, or you can say order of set. Cardinality or order means same. What is the meaning of cardinality? Cardinality means the number of different elements that are present in a set. Let us understand this definition with the help of example. For example, suppose A is equals to A, comma F, comma N, comma P. Then what is the cardinality of this set? What is the cardinality of set A? This is equals to 4. Cardinality means the number of elements in a set. Now I have considered an example in which set A consists of 4 elements, that is A, comma F, comma M, comma P. So what is the cardinality of this set? This is equals to 4. Cardinality or order both mean same. Cardinality means the number of unique element, or you can say the number of different element in a set. So this is the example to understand this definition. Beta, definition is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. This is the first definition. Now, the next definition is subset of a set. This definition is very important, that we are going to start now. Subset of a set. Next definition is subset of a set. Now, what do you mean by subset? If every element of set A, if every element of set A is an element of set B, if every element of set A is an element of set B, then we can say A is subset of B. Now, what do you mean by subset? Suppose we have taken example of 2 sets, that is A and B. When A will be subset of B, if every element of A is also present in set B. For example, if A is equals to 2, 4, 8 and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. I have taken example of 2 sets. The set A consists of 3 elements and this is the set B which consists of these 6 elements. Now, in this case, A is a subset of B. Why? Because every element of A is also present in B. First element is 2, this is present in set B. Next element is 4, again present in set B. And last element is 8, which is also present in the set B. So every element of A is present in set B. So we can say A is a subset of B. But B, this is not the subset of A. If we take the same example, then from this example, we can conclude that B is not a subset of A, because every element of B is not present in A. For example, 1, this is available in set B, but this element is not present in the set A. So if every element of set A is also present in set B, only then we can say A is subset of B. Definition is clear to everyone?
मैम एग्जांपल फिर से बता देना एक बार.
Beta, I have taken this example. A and B are 2 sets. A में हमारे पास element है 2, 4, 8 and these are the elements of set B. Now every element of A is also present in B. For example, A consists of element 2. 2 is also available in B. The next element is 4. 4 is also available in B. And last element of set A is 8. But 8 is also available in B. So every element of set A is present in set B. That's why we can say A is a subset of B. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can understand this definition with one more example. So let us consider one more example. If A is equals to 1, 5, 7, B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is A subset of B or not? A B का subset है या नहीं?
No.
No.
Nine.
In this case, A is not a subset of B. Very good. Why A is not a subset of B? Because 7 is an element which is present in A but not in B. But what is the definition of subset? If every element of A is available in B, then A will be subset of B. Now in this case, 1 is available in both the set. 5, this is the element of set A, also present in set B. But what about the last element? 7 is an element which is present in the first set but not in the second set. So we can say A is not a subset of B. Now this definition is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So after this definition, we have two important points to remember. The first point is null set. Please note down these 2 points. These are very important points and I want to use these 2 results in the next example. The first result is null set is subset of every set. Null set is the subset of every set. This is the first result. And second result is every set is subset of itself. These 2 results are very important. The first is null set, that is phi. This is the subset of every set. And second result is every set is also subset of itself. Okay, last time, students, we have discussed one more important result, that is, if a set has n elements, if a set has n elements, then what is the number of subsets? What is the formula to calculate the number of subsets? 2 raised to power n. Very good, beta. This result we have also discussed in the last class in the polling section. If we have a set which consists of n element, then what is the total number of subset? Total number of subset of that set will be equals to 2 raised to power n. For example, so let us start with the first example. Find subsets of the set A is equals to 2, 5. Now we have given this set which contains 2 elements and we want to find what will be its subset. Now what is the number of subsets for this set? What will be the number of subsets for this set?
4.
4. How many elements are present in it? Only 2 elements. So you can say number of subset. This is equals to 2 raised to power 2. This is the formula. Recently we have discussed this formula. If a set has total n element, the number of subsets will be 2 raised to power n. This is the formula. Now we want to find the subset of this set. So what are the number of element in this set? Only 2. It means the value of n, this is equals to 2. So number of subset, this is equals to 2 raised to power n. And what is the value of n? This is equals to 2. It means the number of subsets for this set, this will be equals to 4. So what are the different subsets? So subsets are Phi is a subset of every set. So first subset will be phi. Second subset is singleton set 2. Third subset is singleton set 3. And last subset is the set itself. So these are the 4 subsets of the given set. Set contains 2 elements. So number of subsets, what is the formula? 2 raised to power n. Now what is the value of n? This is equals to 2. So 2 raised to power 2, this will become 4. It means there are total 4 subsets for this example. Phi is a subset of every set. So first subset will be phi. Every set is a subset of itself. So this set is also a subset of itself. So what are the remaining 2 subsets? The singleton set 2 and singleton set 3. These are the different subsets of given set. So students, since there is no queries from yours in this example, so let us discuss one more question, which consists of 3 elements in a set. So the next example is, find subsets of a set A is equals to 5, 6, 1 and 9. The set is given and we have to find what will be the different subsets of this set. चाहे हम पहले 3 के साथ कर लेते हैं, पोलिंग में मैं एक और क्वेश्चन डाल देती हूँ आपके पास. We have given a set A in which we have 2 elements. That example is already discussed. Now I am going to start with an example which consists of 3 elements. So A is a set which consists of 3 elements. So total number of subsets, this will be equals to 8. Now what will be the different subset? Phi is a subset of every set. Next we are going to write down all these elements as singleton set. That is singleton set 5, singleton set 6, singleton set 1. Now we are going to write down these elements in pair. That is 5, 6, 5, 1, 6, 1. And what is the last set? The set itself. That is 5, 6, 1. So these are total 8 subset of the given set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are the total subset of the given set. Any doubt in this example?
No, ma'am.
So let us start with the next definition, that is power set. Now what is power set? Power set is basically the set of all the subsets of given set. Suppose a set is given. If we find all the subset of that set and put all the subset in the form of set, then that set is said to be a power set. So what is power set? Power set is a set of all the subsets of given set. All the subset of given set. So when we write down all the subsets of a set in the form of set, then it is known as power set. So suppose we have a set A. So power set of set A is denoted by P of A. This is the symbol of power set of any set. So if A is a set, then power set will be denoted by P of A. For example, so let us discuss this example to understand this definition. Suppose A is a set which consists of 3 elements. What is power set? It is the collection of subset. So what will be the subset of this set? 5, singleton set 2, set 3 and set 2, 3. Since A is a set which consists of only 2 elements, so number of subset will be equals to 2 raised to power 2, which means 4. So these are the 4 subset of the given set. Now these are the subset. When we write down these subset in the form of a set, it is known as power set. When we write down all these subset in the form of curly bracket separated by commas, that is in the form of a set, then it is known as power set of the given set. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So students, after this definition, next we have Cartesian product of two sets. So these are the basic definitions of sets. After these definitions, we shall discuss different laws on sets. So next is Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets, or you can say the Cartesian product of sets. Now, what is the Cartesian product of sets? If we have two sets A and B, then their Cartesian product will be denoted as A cross B. Firstly, we want to define the term Cartesian product for two sets. So if A and B are two sets, then their Cartesian product will be denoted as A cross B. Now, what is A cross B? How can we define this term? It is basically the collection of ordered pair. A cross B means the collection of all the ordered pairs such that first element, that is X, belongs to set A, and second element, that is Y, it belongs to the second set. So Cartesian product of two sets A and B is the collection of ordered pairs. In this ordered pair, the first element belongs to the first set and second element belongs to the second set. Definition is clear?
मैम प्लीज रिपीट नो मैम रिपीट कर दीजिए
Okay, I am going to repeat this definition again, beta. Cartesian product means the cross product of two sets. It is denoted as A cross B. Now, how can we define the term Cartesian product? It is basically the collection of ordered pair. In Cartesian product of sets, we have the collection of only ordered pair. What type of pairs? In which the first element belongs to the set 1 and second element belongs to set 2. So A cross B is basically the collection of all the ordered pairs in which X belongs to set A and Y belongs to set B. So this is the description of A cross B. Is it clear?
यस मैम
Okay. Now let us understand this definition with the help of an example. Suppose I have taken this example. If A is equals to A comma B comma C, this is the set A, and B is equals to D comma E, this is the number of elements in set B. Now we have two sets, that is A and B. So what is A cross B? A cross B means all the ordered pairs in which first element belongs to set A and second element belongs to set B. This is the definition of Cartesian product. Now, if A is given, B is given, then what will be the different pairs? First element belongs to first set. So first element is A. So what are the possible combination for A comma D. Next is A comma E. X comma Y means X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. So here I have taken two pairs, that is A comma D and A comma E. Now the first element is A, which belongs to the set A. Second elements are D comma E, which belongs to the set B. Similarly, the next ordered pairs are B comma D, B comma E, C comma D,